Hello, Biodroga family. I wanted today to talk about one of my most favorite serums. And I know I say that a lot, like my most favorite, and I'm always coming up with a new favorite. But this is absolutely in my top three. And it is our 5% peptide serum. Now, what makes this when you think about our line now, we actually have a lot of products that have peptides in. If I go through in bioscience, there's peptides in the anti-aging line, there's peptides in perfect age, in the high performance cream, there's peptides in the ultimate anti-age cream, in the hydrating mask. But this particular product has the highest concentration of peptides than all the other products. Now it has 5 specific peptides. It has 2, 9, and 11, tetrapeptide 2, 9, and 11, so 3 different peptides. And each of those peptides, you don't have to worry about learning the name, but what you need to know is what they do. Now, these peptides are responsible for the production of collagen. Clients love to hear collagen. And elastin, and also the production of lumican. Now, we know what collagen does. It gives that skin that spongy feeling. We know what elastin does is it prevents that sort of drooping and falling of the face. What does lumican do? Lumican is essential in the formation, the health, the structure of those collagen and elastin fibers. It's no good just making them and them, without the structure being nice and tight. So they're those 3 peptides. You need to be able to explain what they do to your clients. The 4th peptide is a glutathione mimic peptide. Now, we produce glutathione in our body. It is one of our master antioxidants. We know what antioxidants do is they fight off free radical damage. Free radical damage causes death, skin cells deaths, cellular death. And what it does is stops and prevents that. But what this particular mimic peptide does is it helps against glycation. Glycation is the synthesization of sugar in the skin. The 5th ingredient is one of my favorite ingredients because a lot of those particular peptides are always functioning and working towards something a little more deeper in the skin, whilst pentolactin really focuses on the epidermis. So it wakes up all of those cells in the basal layer that are producing beautiful, yummy little, I always think about them like the minions, producing baby cells. Well, what we want to do is we want to wake them up and get them working and functioning as much. So lots and lots of new beautiful skin cells, and that's what pentolactin does. So they are our 5 peptides. There's one more ingredient, actually 2 more ingredients that really make this product a star. It's the ferulic acid. Ferulic acid is another very powerful, it's probably one of the most powerful individual antioxidants. It's what gives this product the smell. When I first tried this product in Germany, I remember thinking, oh no, the smell is not right, but it's the ferulic acid. If something doesn't, if a product says it has ferulic acid in it, it doesn't smell like this, it doesn't have much of it. We have lots of it in. What ferulic acid does, it's like it encourages all the other antioxidants to do better. Okay, so it's another ingredient that protects the skin. And the last ingredient to think about is an ingredient called polylan. Now, this isn't a new ingredient. We used to have it in our contouring anti-age serum, and it is an immediate. It's a sugar, and it's an immediate tightener on the skin. People often say she feels this product go on, then instantly, you just get this tightening, and that is what clients want to see. They want to have long-term effect, but also short-term effect. How to use this product? It can be used twice a day. You're never going to get irritated by this product. I like to put this product into a routine with a mix of this and retinol and the AHA serum in a nice serum cycling situation, or you could use this every day. Absolutely no problem. Another little handy hint is, what about that client that is just, saying, oh, I just have problems around my eye area. This is a perfect eye serum for everyone. Using this underneath, if they want something a bit richer underneath the lifting boost eye balm, beautiful. So the 5% peptide serum, you've noticed I have not mentioned anti-aging in this. I've decided, after what Julie from Bliss said the other day and backed me up on this, I don't want to use the word anti-aging anymore. I want to say that aging is a privilege, but what we want to do is we want to have beautiful, healthy skin no matter what age we are. I'll see you next time. Bye.